Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear downloads on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear downloads on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And again, tap on the settings option available for us over here just above the help and feedback, and we'll land over here where you can see the downloads and storage option available for us just below the data saving. Tap on downloads and storage, and you can see, guys, at the end of this list you can see the clear downloads option available for us. Now to clear downloads on the YouTube Music app, tap on that button which is clear downloads, and when this box appears, tap on the remove button over here. And with that being said, guys, all of your downloads on your YouTube Music app will be cleared out. And there, guys, this is how to clear downloads on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.